The biggest advantage of having computer networking is the interconnectivity among all the computers on the planet by joining the shared network, which is called the internet. With the help of internet connectivity, we can send and receive information from any place in the world if that computer is a part of the internet. By using internet service, we can connect to public servers like web servers or FTP servers, etc. But the question comes, how do we know about these public servers? So there comes these amazing search engine tools like Google or MS Bing. With the help of these search engine tools, we can find information about public servers. For example, we are planning to follow healthy diet, but we do not know much about how to follow this. So all we have to do is we have to search for the information on either Google or MS Bing, and these search engine tools will take us to the public server where the actual information is being stored about following the healthy diets. By using internet connection, now we can do the internet banking or internet fund transfer from our phone or computers. Not only this, but we can also do the online shopping or online ticket bookings. So we don't have to visit physically in the bank or stores because it's all possible now, just tip of our fingers. I remember back in days when we used to send letters to our families. At that time we had to just send letters and wait for few days to come the reply back. Then it came the landline phones, then followed by the mobile phones. But now with the help of internet connectivity, not only we can talk but also we can see to each other over video calling by using the apps like WhatsApp, Zoom, Skype or Facebook. The apps like Zoom, Skype and MS Teams are most popular apps when it comes to video conferencing for enterprise offices. The another advantage of internet is we can connect with each other by using social networking apps like Facebook, Twitter or Instagram. With the help of these social networking apps, we can share our thoughts and pictures with friends or in a public. Not only that, nowadays we also stream musics and videos online by using the apps like YouTube, Netflix and Amazon. So by using the internet connectivity, we now have access to this entertainment media from our phones and computers. And in lastly, if you are a solo entrepreneur, then you can connect to internet and you can take your ideas or business online and you can create your own company. Well, these were the few advantages of having computer networking, and there are still many. But one of the major disadvantages of having computer networking is that once you connect with the internet, the data security becomes a huge concern. Because there are many attackers out there who trying to steal or destroy your data by placing virus or malicious code on your computer. And if such hackers or attackers get access to your data or sensitive information like your private pictures, then they will ask you for ransom money in a trade of giving your data back. But if you do not agree with them, then what they do is they destroy your data or make it publicly available to destroy your identity or reputation. So it is very important for us to follow security measures when it comes to data protection and privacy. To protect from such virus or ransom attacks, we should use Windows or corporate firewalls and install antivirus and internet security softwares on our computers. And we should also keep updating our Windows operating system for any patches and updates. The data breach is biggest concern for any enterprise organization, and that is valid concern too. Because if the data gets leaked on the public network or internet, then it becomes a huge loss for the company. So what this company should be doing, they should be following the security measures and taking regular backups of their company's important data. As well as per security best practices, they should not be keeping the company information on public network or internet. The information is like user's credential, office inventory, or office licenses. Because even though they have backup of this information, but once this get accessed by the attackers or hackers, then they will use for their own benefit, and then the company has to face a huge loss. Well, I'm not trying to scare you by this security risk, but as we know, the prevention is better than cure. The same method applies in computer networking as well. When it comes to protecting company information, it is important to take proper data security prevention. So these were the few advantages of using computer networking and also a risk involved in it. So now you can understand how important role is playing by computer networking in our day-to-day life, whether it comes to advantages or disadvantages. And because of these reasons, computer networking is also known as a backbone of office businesses. Well, that was all about why do we use computer networking and why is it so important in our modern lives. Now in the next topic we will see how computer networking works by using different examples. So that is for now. I will see you in the next topic.